part f, which is now the limit as h goes to 0 of 1 over h plus 5 minus 1 over 5 all over h. All right, I see you, buddy. I'm going to have to take this to the left-hand side. I did the wrong thing here, sorry. And then I move it to the left, and then I paste it, then I make it smaller. Now, we try to put the h in the denominator. What is h going towards? 0. We try to put 0 here. We can't do that. So we have to change something. So we can here say the limit as h goes towards 0. What can we change here? Oh, the top. I can make them be one fraction. I see there are two fractions. How do I make them be one fraction? Common denominator. How do you find the common denominator? Multiply the two denominators. So 5 multiplies h plus 1. And remember, don't rush to open it up. Leave it like this. Then now let's find h plus 1 goes into this big denominator. It cancels with h plus 1. 5 remains. And 5 multiplies this one. It's 5. Minus 5 goes into this denominator. It cancels with 5 remains, leaves h plus 1. H plus 1 multiplies this one, and you get minus of h plus 1. Then it's all over h. And now, once we have something like this, it becomes nice. Because basically, when you have two denominators, okay, not two fractions, but two denominators, just join the denominators, okay? So I'll put this h into here. That's a tip I'm giving you. So this is just going to be now limit as h goes towards 0. And you know where it came from? This guy is dividing, and he's like h is like h over 1. So when we flip him, it becomes a 1 over h, and it will be multiplying, which is still going to be in the denominator, okay? So if you want, you can still do that. You can say, okay, since I'm dividing a fraction, the only way to divide a fraction is to multiply by the inverse of that guy who is dividing. So we have 5 minus h, then minus of 1 becomes minus 1, all divided by 5 multiplying h plus 1, and we are now multiplying the inverse of h king 1 over h. We're multiplying 1 over h, okay, and we're getting the limit. So this is now the limit as h goes towards 0 of 5 minus h minus 1 is going to be 4 minus h all over, because it's going to just multiply this one, okay? Then it's all over now. Here we'll say it is all over 5h multiplying h plus 1, okay? Because this h goes to join. You understand? So now what are we going to have now? Here, what are we going to have? This is going to be equal to here. And I'm just seeing that this is not an h plus 5. This is not an h plus 1. It's an h plus 5. I'm sorry. This is an h plus 5, okay? And it's minus of an h plus 5. So here we have minus 8, like this, minus 5, and actually you have a 5 minus 5, which is 0. You remain with a minus h by 1. Then this is an h plus 5, okay? So this is going to be 5h plus 5, something like this, okay? Now, what we're just going to have is, since this h is already outside, it can just cancel with this one, and you now have the limit, because h into h1 into h is 1. We have the limit as h goes towards 0, being minus 1 all over 5 multiplying h plus 5. Okay, so now, can we put 0 now? We try to put 0 in the denominator. It's going to be 0 plus 5, which is 5 times 5. So it's going to be just negative 1 over 5 multiplying 0 plus 5. Okay, which is going to be minus 1 all over 5 times 5 is 25. And this is it. Okay, negative 1 over 25, and this is going to be your final solution, and you are done with number 1. Now let's go to number 2, and let's do it as fast as we can, non-stop, and let's see the solutions, okay? Goodbye for now.